Regarding making money online, what you'll find here is priceless. Have you ever wondered how people can make money online? Being able to make money by sitting at your computer at home seems too good to be true. However, it is very possible, and there are wonderful opportunities out there. Watch this video to learn more about options that are available to you. If you are a good writer, there are many opportunities for you online when it comes to making extra money. For example, check out video writing sites where you can create content to be used for search engine optimization. Many pay more than a few cents per word, making it worth your while. Research what others are doing online to make money. There are so many ways to earn an online income these days. Take some time to see how the most successful people are doing it. You may discover ways of generating an income that you never thought of before. Keep a journal so that you remember them all as you move along. If you love to draw, you can sell some of the photography that you create on the web. Initially, you may want to post your goods on Craigslist or a smaller site to get the word out and see if people will bite. If there is a high following, you can move to a more prominent site. Try freelance writing as a form of online income. There are many websites out there that open up the doors to freelance writing, like Odesk and Elance. With both, you can apply for and bid on online jobs of all types. Many of them are writing focused. If you're a fast writer that composes quality pieces, you can do very well. Making money online is not that complicated. More and more people are getting into it because it liberates them from a 9-to-5 job. This video offers a few suggestions that you can consider, but more is out there. Continue to learn about opportunities as you can find the perfect business to get into. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.